2020 Kia Forte air filter and cabin filter replacement. For the air filter, it's actually pretty easy. There's just a little clip here. You just push this clip off, and then there's one over here between the battery and the air box as well. Get that off. You're going to lift this up here and then pull the tabs out from the hose side. You just lift this up, pull it kind of straight out, and then it'll give you some space. Pull this out. And then here's my new one. This is from Kia. This is the part number. And here it is. Just a regular air filter. Is a very basic air filter replacement. Just lift this up, put this in, and then when you put it back together, these rear plastic tabs need to go in place first. So just go ahead and slide these in. Might be a little annoying to get in, but they're not too bad. And then once those are in, you should be able to put these clips on pretty easy, just like that. They'll be a little tight because that's what they're like spring pressure or whatever, but that's it for that. Cabin filter, just take this out. You probably want to take out whatever's in your glove box. There's this little plastic shock right here. Undo this. That's just to make it open slow when it opens. This you're gonna twist and then pull out. There's one on each side. When you get the second one out, the whole box is going to fall. So, figure out what you want to do with your stuff before you do it. So, it just falls out like that. You could hold it if you wanted to, but you're going to need two hands for this part. So, this is the cabin filter panel door. Just squeeze the tabs gently, pull it out. Do the same for each side. Just reach on the other side, squeeze the tabs, pull it straight out. If you'll notice on the air filter, there's an arrow that points down right here. That's your airflow direction. You want to make sure you put your cabin filter in the way it says to. So on the new filter, it'll probably have an arrow that points down, and you just want to make sure the arrow is pointing down instead of up. Pull this out. Here's my new one. It's from Kia. This is the Kia part number right here. Okay. All right. And let's go ahead and get this one in. That's my phone noise, not yours. There's an arrow on the box too to remind you which way the arrow is supposed to be pointing down. Alright, let's go ahead and slide this in. Alright, once you slide it in, it should look like that. We'll go ahead and put this in. Basically just line this up, and then you kind of just gently push it in. The little tabs on the side should just click in. It should just click and you should be good. Sometimes it could be annoying to line up right, but it shouldn't be that hard. If you're like forcing it, you're doing something wrong. So then when we put this up, just lift this up and then put your clips back in. You just put them in the same way you got them out. You just put them in and then twist them towards the front of the car. I mean, not the front, towards you. This side. Definitely. And do the same for the other side. Then we'll put our plastic shock on right here, like this. Okay, good. And there you go, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you next video.
You're pretty good.